morning, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I'm going to unbox the sugar. So this is the coconut sugar. We call it in Indonesia the Kawung Sugar. It is different from sugar or white sugar, but this is the Kawung Sugar directly from the coconut. Okay, so this is the pack of the Kawung Sugar, Kawung, Kawung. Okay, and this sugar packed with the leaves of the coconut. So let's come closer to see how to open it. So this is the row from the coconut tree, and we open it, and then we stay like this, and we open it. Okay, let's see. So now, don't open directly, hold the lid, but you can open like this. Alright, so this is the Kawung Sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 sugar in this pack, and we call it bonjor. This is one bonjor, satu bonjor, sabonjor in Sundanese. Okay, let's see one of these Kawung Sugar. Look at this. The color is very, very nice. This is very black brown and like this. All right, different with another coconut sugar that lighter in the color, not brown, not black brown color, but a little bit white, right? Not white, a little bit gray, I think. Yeah, and this is Kawung. We can see directly from the color of the sugar like this, right? So it is very nice, and we can smell. Oh, smell again. Oh, subhanallah, this is very nice smell. So there are 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in one bonjor, and that's about 2 kilogram and 2.5 kilogram. It is very cheap. Yeah, it's about 25,000 rupiah until 30,000 rupiah in one pack or one bonjor. That's all. Kawung is very sweet and good for your health. See you.